track off Kimmy the other day. Hence, that's why we needed the welder down here. Like I said, I don't have a master press for master pin, so I got the other excavator down here. I'm going to move some of this brush out of the way. Attempt to put the track back on Kimmy. That's what I'm trying to do here. Trying to give myself a little level spot to work. Brush and the debris. I'm going to. So, try to get a nice flat spot to work. That was a lovely spot to dump the track off of Kimmy in there last week. I sure love my diggers. Imagine without these things what a pain in the butt life would be, huh? Rock guards, so I gotta be careful. I don't want to be dumping the track off of this too. These tracks are pretty beat too, so. It doesn't take long to destroy tracks when you're running around the ground like we do. So I try and get as much life as I can out of them, you know. You know what, this little machine's got like 2,500 hours on them or something, so it's probably, these tracks are probably 3/4, well, 2/3 beat anyway. And give us a platform to work off of here. Alright, let's see what I can do. Poor little Kimmy. Stuff actually cleans up pretty good when it's crunchy like this. You can get underneath the dirt berms and just hold it right back in. Look at that, huh? Look at how hideous this looks and how easy it is to clean this stuff off. Why, I don't get too excited about it. It cleans up really easy. Believe me, it would be nice if you didn't have to deal with it, but wherever you get clay and deep soil and rain, you're going to deal with mud. It's just all there is to it. There's no happy medium. That's why I don't get too excited about, you know, ew, ruts, oh, you get ruts, oh, you tore up the precious ground. Yep, whatever. Takes about 20 seconds to fix it. If I was fixing, you know, if I was fixing this trail for good right now, I'd just get right in the middle of it, work my way right out, bust this stuff in like that, run it over, good as gold, man. I'll tell you what, when it thaws out in the spring, it all melts down, it's beautiful. Watch this, just pull it right back in. All the dirt that was missing is right there, see it? Look at that, bloop. It's just like picking a scab. Very, very easy to fix this stuff. more important. My family and my bills, my business is more important than earthworks and a bunch of friggin' mud. Because mud fixes really easy. Now, when you're done in the spring and the green starts coming in on this, you'd never know there was deep ruts here at all. Never. It makes absolutely no difference, and it's not worth destroying someone's life over not being able to work. Like I say, I know I rant about this all the time, but it really pisses me off that we're going to put mud and ruts above people's livelihoods. There's something wrong with anybody who thinks that way. Sorry. Just my opinion. There you go. There's your rut. Huh? I can fix this whole hideous mess up through here, and I'll bet you about 4 hours. So what's that worth? This machine's worth $125 an hour. That's 500 bucks. 500 measly dollars to fix this. And if these certain people had their way, you wouldn't work over a $500 bill. There's something wrong with people like that. I'll tell you one thing, they never owned anything or ever had to come up with paying a bill, I can tell you that. They change their tune real quick. Like I said, you would never, ever, ever, ever know. And if it's a little too lumpy, you can always run a dozer over about 30 seconds. But the problem is with that dozer theory is, you know, oh, it's not smooth enough. Why isn't it smooth enough? That ground ain't smooth up through there. That's the way nature intended it. The smoother you get it with a dozer, the more erosion you're going to get in between water bars. If you leave it like this, you're never going to get any erosion because the water can't go anywhere. As long as you put some drains in, you're good to go. The water will just, as long as you don't have a lot of traffic on it, the water will seep in and drain naturally, just like it would in natural ground. But there's nothing wrong with that at all. Like I said, I could, if I wasn't sideways here, I would be able to do this a lot faster. Just go walk right along and pull your stuff in. Boop, 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 boop. I'll show you. You guys have seen me do it before. Alright, that's my lecture for today. Let's see if we can get this good enough. Just turn around, drop it, and I'll spread it out with this. Yeah. Okay, just go ahead and turn that thing, pull it up in here where it cleared, turn it up, just drop the track, and I'll straighten it out with this. Copy that. There's my welder caddy. Ain't that coolio, Julio? My God, I can't wait to log the rest of this. It's going to be freaking awesome now. This is going to be like heaven in here now. We'll be able to load that old bitch and really load it and go. Not sure which way we got to have that dumb thing, but I'll flip it around. Hey Marv, we gotta... Yeah, I'll take care of that. I don't know what direction it's gotta be, but we'll figure it out. Go ahead, drop it. I'll figure it out. So any of you guys who have to do with this stuff don't have a track press, I want to buy one. They're a lot of money, and I ain't got no money right at the moment to spare. So, but yeah, a good track press is going to cost me about 12 grand. I can get a cheapo cheeky one. I wouldn't mind doing that if they're any good. If anyone's had any experience with them, you can let me know. You know. You got a copy. Turn around, grab this end of this, and pull it that way. Let's see. Or one of the ends. Let me see what end we got to put on first here. Hang on. scratch it out. Okay. Gotta go up there, right? Okay. You want me to, why don't you get in that one?